What's happening, guys? So for those of you that aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go do that because you're going to get a lot more information and a lot more in depth about what's going on. But just in case, I wanted to give you all an update to the repair bill that I know that I did in a few videos back here on TikTok. But I wanted to make sure that I give you all an update. So I got the bill right here so you all can see it. So let me turn this around here. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but $13,000 basically, $12,901.70 for the intake flap runner with manifold stuff, whatever it is. Anyway, so apparently like, let me flip this camera. Well, I can't flip it around. So I'm gonna flip it around. Like every bit of this has to be replaced. Every bit of that has to be replaced. And then to top it all off, on top of that, I got contacted from Ferrari 2 days ago now. So I don't know what days you guys will be watching this, but 2 days ago, I got contacted from Ferrari, and they want to come get the car and do the safety recall thing on that and do that replacement. So the car will be gone again. So guys, I'm gonna just keep pushing out videos and everything. And what I might do is I might just make a whole bunch of videos for you guys, and just save them, and that way I'm still releasing content while the car's gone. Or maybe I just need to go ahead and buy another car.